Dear plus one commerce student, welcome to the accountancy class, part first, chapter first. Let us discuss about accounting subject. After completing 10th standard, a question will arise in student's mind. The question is whether taking science subject or commerce subject. When taking the commerce subject, again a question arises. What are the uses of commerce subject? If you taking commerce subject, you can go to CA, MBA, ICWA, CMA, etc. These are professional course. Through less hard work, you will get a good position or a good job. Commerce is the guaranteed subject, means job oriented subject. Some students are afraid of the accounting subject, but accounting is very simplest subject. Any student means above average, average, below average can learn accounting subject very easily. Again I say, accounting is easier than other subjects through my simple experience. Though accounting is as old as money itself, the modern system of accounting owes its origin to Luca Pacioli, an Italian who first published his books on double entry system of accounting in 1494. So he is often called the father of accounting. Before Luca Pacioli introduces this system, Kaudilya or Chanakya or Vishnugupta has described or introduced accounting in his books Arthashastra. But unfortunately, he was not considered the father of accounting. That is mistake of Indians. Who was Kaudilya? Kaudilya was the minister of Chandragupta king in 321 BC. The modern accounting is often called the language of a business. The basic functions of a language is to serve as a means of communication. Accounting serves these functions by communicating the result of the business operation to various parties who are interested in it. Business is carried out mainly to earn profit. Businessmen will be very eager to know the amount of profit made or the loss incurred to the business during any particular period. He will also be interested in knowing the financial position of the business as on any particular date. For this, he should know what are the financial dealings take place in the business. There arises the role of accounting in business. Accounting came to practice as an aid to human memory by recording daily transaction of business. Meaning of accounting. Accounting is an information system which receives data, means transaction, process the same and give its output in the form of information which is useful for decision making. Next, definition of accounting. The American Institute of Certified Public Accounts AICPA defines accounting as follows. Accounting is the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money transaction and events which are at least of financial character and interpreting the result thereof. This part has completed. Thank you.